Hi, it's Angeline here. Do you have tons of sequins just lying around? Well, if you do, keep on watching. I'm gonna show you how I made this penguin snow sequin card with this new Unity stamp Cuddlebug penguin, which I've already stamped and colored. And I'm grabbing lots of my cat scrappiness sequin mixes here, along with some Prima snowflake paste. So first I am grabbing the snowflake paste and just adding it onto my card, and I'm just gonna use this as my glue to adhere the sequins together. What I found out later is that while it was fine for these smaller sequins, for these leaves it was kind of difficult to adhere using them, so I did end up adding some mixed media adhesive to the leaves. So what you want to do is just have fun and be creative and just use up all your sequins in the midst of it, because if you don't get to buy new ones, do you? For the snowflakes, I'm adding the mixed media adhesive here to adhere it onto the card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Bye!